will typically have two different kind of ends on your suppressors, unless you have one of these fancy new tapered ones. We're not getting into that. This is a standard thread, and it can fade. So that you have full depth and then it fades to the max diameter. Or you're going to have a full thread and there's going to be a relief groove here. Now this is going to be far superior for mounting a suppressor. And here's why. Your suppressor comes in, there's going to be a relief in the suppressor. The threads will start. If that first thread is in this area that's incomplete threads, into this zone where it faded, it's going to kick the end of the suppressor to one side. You're going to get baffle strikes, potential issues. Avoid this if you can, okay? These may be fine for muzzle brakes because they're much shorter and the alignment doesn't really affect them that much. Not recommended for suppressors.